Hello friends, 2024 Audi rs7. What is new for 2024? Audi is kicking things up a notch with the 2024 rs7, specifically with a new performance trim, thanks to a pair of larger turbos and additional boost. Its engine output rises to 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. Those figures represent increases of 30 and 37 respectively versus the regular rs7. Audi also lightened the rs7 by 18 pounds by cutting some of its sound deadening. There are also new 22-inch wheels wrapped with Continental Sport Contact 7 tires, and Audi has retuned the rs7's center differential as well as the programming for its selectable drive modes. New matte colors join the paint palette too, including Ascari Blue and Dew Silver. Pricing and which one to buy. rs7 $126,000, rs7 Performance $132,000. Audi makes this easy because the rs7 comes extremely well equipped with standard goodies such as all-wheel drive, four-wheel steering, and an adjustable air suspension for maximum madness. Consider the black optics package, which adds darkened exterior trim and giant 22-inch trims with summer performance tires to unlock the V8's best soundtrack. We would also OBT for the sport exhaust. Engine and transmission and performance. Power comes from a brilliant twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 that pairs with a 48-volt hybrid system, 8-speed automatic transmission, and quattro all-wheel drive. All this tech makes the rs7 heavier than the last generation model, which made as much as 605 horsepower still, with 591 horses and 590 pound-feet of torque. The rs7 we tested rocketed to 60 mph in just 3.0 seconds. The new rs7 Performance, which gets larger turbos and more boost, has 621 horsepower with 627 pound-feet of torque. However, we have yet to test that one. Every rs7 rides on an air suspension with adaptive settings for varying levels of stiffness. However, it felt refined regardless of the drive mode, even rolling on our testers' 22-inch rims. 21s are standard. It's also rewarding to bend into corners thanks to the poised chases and the added agility of its standard rear-wheel steering system. Crazy quick and unerringly comfortable are accurate descriptors of its driving personality, despite not opting for the carbon ceramic brakes, which allow its top speed to be increased from 155 to 190 mph. The standard stoppers hold our nearly 5,000 pound four-door down from 70 mph in an impressive 151 feet. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The powerful, albeit Series T rs7 is rated 15 mpg in the city and 22 mpg on the highway. By the EPA, the agency has yet to certify the 621 HP rs7 Performance, so we ran the 591 HP rs7 on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, and it returned 23 mpg in the real world. For more information about the rs7's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior and comfort and cargo. While the RS model shares an interior design and passenger space with the regular A7, it also has some exclusive details and intriguing options. Of course, The, the sturdy build quality and upscale materials are immediately recognizable. Still, the rs7's cabin is adorned with trim-specific logos and other unique accents. The standard front sport seats have nice leather upholstery, but can be reskinned with upgraded leather and ventilated cushions. Its back seat can fit 2 or 3 people depending on the chosen seat configuration, and its cargo area offers 19 cubic feet of space, with the rear seats in use and 49 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. Infotainment and connectivity. Every rs7 is equipped with a snazzy infotainment system that operates via 2 touchscreens that seamlessly blend into the upper dashboard and flowing center console. Unfortunately, the climate controls and other settings that must be manipulated through the lower screen can pull the driver's eyes off the road. To avoid this distraction, Audi's voice recognition software comes in handy, along with the robust navigation system that appears in the upper screen and that can be expanded in the fully digital gadget cluster. The rs7 comes with a standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. The top option is a pricey Bang Olufsen stereo that pumps 1820 watts through 19 speakers. Safety and driver assistance features. Apart from some basic driver assistance technology, Audi offers a suite for more advanced equipment as part of the driver assistance package. There is also a standalone option for night vision that provides large animal and pedestrian detection. For more information about the rs7's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration NHTSA and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety IIHS websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, available blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, available adaptive cruise control. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Audi protects its products with a warranty plan that falls short of premium competitors in that it lacks complementary maintenance, which is something rivals such as BMW and Jaguar include with every new model. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. No complementary scheduled maintenance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos about all new cars around the world. Thank you for watching again. See you next time. Goodbye.